Most people don't fail at saving money because they're bad with money. They fail because budgeting feels like punishment. When people hear cut your spending, they immediately think no coffee, no eating out, no fun, no life. So they try a strict budget for 1 week and then they quit. Here's the real problem. You don't actually feel poor when you spend less. You feel poor when you lose control. Right now, your money is quietly disappearing through automatic habits. Food delivery you didn't plan, subscriptions you forgot, late night online shopping, convenience spending because you were tired. And the scary part? Most of those purchases didn't even make you happier. Financial stress isn't caused by big purchases. It's caused by small daily decisions you never noticed. The good news, you can realistically cut around 30% of your spending without giving up the things you actually enjoy. Welcome to Daily Finance Lab. Let's fix your money without ruining your lifestyle. The first thing you need to do is something I call a joy audit. Open your banking app and scroll through your last 30 days of spending. Now ask one simple question. Did this purchase actually make my life better? Not useful, not necessary. Better. You'll notice something shocking. The purchases you thought mattered didn't. Random online shopping, impulse convenience store trips, subscriptions you barely use. Most people are paying monthly for services they wouldn't buy again if asked today. Here's the rule. Cut what you don't remember enjoying. Not what's cheap. Not what financial gurus tell you to cut. Only cut what brings zero real satisfaction. You won't feel deprived because you already didn't care about it. Next, you need to stop impulse spending. Almost all unnecessary spending happens within 5 minutes of wanting something. So instead of saying, I can't buy this, tell yourself, I can buy this in 48 hours. Wait 2 days before any non-essential purchase. Here's what happens. 80% of the time, you completely forget about it. Your brain confuses wanting with needing. Time separates the two. This single rule alone can eliminate online shopping, gadget upgrades, and random purchases without you forcing yourself. You're not restricting spending. You're filtering emotions. Now here's where most money actually disappears. Convenience, delivery apps, ride apps for short distances, buying food because you're tired. You're not paying for the item, you're paying for the moment. And moments are expensive. One delivery order might feel small, but repeated weekly, it becomes one of the largest leaks in your budget. Instead of removing convenience completely, reduce it slightly. Cook just 3 meals a week at home. Walk short distances when possible. Bring a simple snack or water when you leave the house. You still keep your lifestyle, but your expenses drop dramatically. Small friction saves big money. Most people don't stay broke because they don't earn enough. They stay broke because every income increase becomes a lifestyle increase. You get a raise. Then upgrade your phone, your subscriptions, your food choices, your spending habits, your income grows, your savings don't. Here's the rule. Every time your income increases, pretend it didn't. Keep your current lifestyle for 3 months, automatically save the difference. You won't feel any pain because you were already living fine before the raise. This is how people suddenly build emergency funds without noticing. The secret to cutting spending is not removal, it's replacement. Instead of expensive entertainment, free activities. Instead of buying, borrowing. Instead of shopping, planning. People who succeed financially don't live boring lives, they live intentional ones. When you choose where your money goes, you stop feeling restricted and start feeling in control. And that feeling, that's what actually makes you feel rich. If this helped you rethink how money actually works, subscribe to Daily Finance Lab for simple, practical strategies to grow your finances without stress. And if you want to start improving your money habits today, watch the next video. It will help you build income while spending less.